Welcome to the canfitpro 2021 Online Global Conference and Trade Show. Whether you've registered for Women Who Influence or the Global Conference, your event experience lives within this online platform. Use your email address and access code to log in. If you can't find your access code, click here and it will be emailed to you. When you log in, you'll be taken to My Account. There's a few tabs I'd like to point out here. The first one is My Agenda. If you've pre-selected your sessions, these will auto-populate here. Over here is My Profile, where you can edit your profile picture as well as your preferences. If you'd like to be included in the networking tool, please hit yes or no. Click canfitpro in the top left corner to go to our main page. Here you can access all aspects of the event, see your personal agenda, and what's happening now. Under Program, you'll hit Program and Agenda. Here you'll have access to Women Who Influence if that's what you've registered for, or the Global Conference and Trade Show. All the sessions are listed by date and time. Here you'll see I'm on August 13th, and you can scroll down to see all of the sessions available that day. You have the option to add or remove a session from your agenda using this blue button. At the top, you can toggle just to see the sessions that you've selected, and they'll auto-populate for your agenda. Click on the session title to be entered into the session. You'll use this green button, which will open up the Zoom link, and you'll be automatically entered into the session. Over here, we have our trade show. Click on Product Directory to see hundreds of products offered by our exhibitors and sponsors. We have our exhibit hall with over 40 exhibitors. You can click on a booth, and you'll be able to chat with a booth rep, send an email message, or participate in the passport checking game. For this game, you'll scroll to the bottom and enter this code in the passport checking game under contests. There's free online sessions. These are available to anyone who's registered for the event, or if someone has registered for an online virtual trade show ticket. We also have a swag bag, which has exclusive coupons and details for our delegates. Under social, you can connect and network with our presenters, sponsors, exhibitors, and delegates. Click on their name, and you can connect and chat. There's a discussion board, which you can filter by session, and you can talk with other delegates about your experience at the event. We also have hashtag canfitpro 2021, so we encourage you to use this if you're on social. We also have an online photo booth, so you can take a selfie or a boomerang, and you can click your border, Women Who Influence or Global Conference and Trade Show. Over here we have two contests. We have the activity leaderboard, where you get points for engaging with our event platform, and the passport contest, where you get points for participating with our exhibitors. If you have any questions, visit our FAQ page, or if you have any technical questions, you can hit tech support, which will be available 24/7. We hope you enjoy your experience at our canfitpro 2021 online global event.